Renee. Wow, wow. Okay, this is funny. What is going on? Hi, Grandma.
Nice. Say hi to Renee. Say hi, Bill. Hi, Bill.
Punch those fucking old people in the face, please, puppy. Oh my god.
He's harmless.
He's harmless. He
He just likes to jump.
just likes to jump. Yeah, he is gonna eat you, scrawny ass bitch. Hope he knocks you over. Unexpectedly. Red Solo Cup. I fill you up. Let's have a party. Proceed to party. I don't even know why I'm making this video.